When this steel pipe is drilled and honed, it'll become the barrel end of a weapon that's compact, versatile, and deadly as a Scorpion. The Scorpion submachine gun is lighter than a rifle and more versatile than a handgun. Fast loading with a fold-out stock, it can fire single shots, 3-round bursts, or empty its magazine in full auto. Accurate to 200 meters, the Scorpion is the weapon of choice for many military and security forces around the world. And the Scorpion machine gun's ability to shoot with precision is built right into the barrel. The steel used to make the Scorpion's barrel is first left to cure outside the plant. Weathering the rain, heat, and changing temperatures might coat the metal with rust, but it also makes it more durable. First, the barrel is precision drilled to create a hollow running the length of the cylinder. Next, the opening is bored out in 115mm sections. The barrel spins on a lathe to scrape off the rust and smooth out the surface. In a hammer forge, 4 synchronized hammers pummel at the steel 1,000 times per minute with 45 tons of force, extending the length of the barrel and etching out corkscrew grooves on the inner wall. These unique grooves, or rifling, cause the bullets to spin so they fly straight and true. Then, the barrel is cut to length. Finally, a technician inspects the barrel's interior, cleaning out any debris and checking the rifling that makes up this Scorpion's distinctive fingerprint. Any flaw in the barrel could send a bullet way off its mark. The trigger is cut to spec inside a computer-controlled cutting machine. Small components that make up the submachine gun's action, including the slide stop, trigger, and dynamic bolt, are baked in a very hot kiln to harden and toughen the metal. On April 30th, 1980, 6 armed men stormed the Iranian embassy in London, taking 26 hostages and demanding passage out of England and the release of their imprisoned brethren. For days, British police stalled, managing to gain the release of 5 hostages without giving in to terrorist demands. In frustration, the terrorists executed a hostage. With lightning force, the British Special Air Services, armed with submachine guns and stun grenades, stormed the embassy, killing 5 of the 6 terrorists and rescuing all but 1 of the hostages. The SAS solidified their reputation in the most successful rescue op of all time. All in all, it takes about 25 minutes to assemble the gun. Each part must fit precisely to within a millimeter's tolerance. The barrel is attached to the body of the gun. Next, the trigger assembly and slide are inserted into the stock. The Scorpion submachine gun is known as the gun that'll shoot under any condition. To make sure it lives up to its rep, testing goes to extremes. First, the gun fires 2 overpressure rounds, 20 to 30% more powerful than a typical round, to ensure the strength of the gun. Then, the gun is subjected to a 5-round precision test, the results of which are measured by a computer. The Scorpion is built to withstand being dropped from a height without shattering. It can also be submerged until water fills the gun. Once it's completely soaked, rounds can still be fired in full automatic mode. Even when the gun is dumped into thick bogs of mud and coated, it continues to fire. The Scorpion submachine gun combines the best of a full-scale automatic rifle and a nimble handgun. And like its namesake, it's got survival skills and a killer instinct.